We've collected the top cat names from over 2.8 million new cat owners who used findcatnames.com to pick a name for their cat. If you're looking for more cat names, check out the site where you can search for cat names by category. Now, on to the top cat names. We start our list off with the top female cat names, which over the years have included Nala of Lion King fame, Luna, Daisy, and Bella. The top male names have also consistently included another Lion King name, Simba. Other popular favorites have included Binks, Milo, and Tiger. For even more popular cat names, we've pulled the top 10 names for each of the top categories on findcatnames.com. Cute cat names has been our most popular category year after year. Tough names is a popular category, especially for male cats. These strong-sounding names are great for reflecting a kitten's tenacious personality. We've seen a big increase in the popularity of food cat names, which can be both cute and funny. The top sports names come from great athletes like Tiger Woods and Muhammad Ali, as well as general sports terms like archery. Like we mentioned, movies and TV are great sources for names. In addition to the Lion King names that topped our list, here are a few more popular names. Geeky cat names are perfect for people who love technology, video games, or comics. Show your passion with one of these nerdy names.